Imagine spending years building a life in the US only to return from a trip abroad and find yourself interrogated, detained, or even stripped of your legal status. That's exactly what's happening to green card holders right now, and Indians are among those most affected. The US government is tightening immigration policies, leading to heightened scrutiny, detentions, and even deportation threats. But what's behind this sudden crackdown, and who should be worried? Let's break it down in 5 key points. The alarm bells rang after Fabian Schmitz, a German green card holder, was detained at Logan International Airport in Massachusetts. Despite having a valid green card, he was reportedly subjected to violent interrogation, denied medication, and even forced to shower with ice cold water. His case, widely reported in US media, has sparked concerns about how green card holders are being treated at airports. US Customs and Border Protection hasn't clarified why his green card was flagged, but they have defended their actions, stating that individuals with immigration violations or security risks can be detained and questioned. He is now in an immigration and customs enforcement detention facility awaiting further action. It's not just younger immigrants. Elderly Indian green card holders are also facing pressure at US airports. Immigration attorneys have reported an increase in cases where older Indians, particularly those who spent extended time in India, are being coerced into signing Form I-407, essentially a voluntary surrender of their green card. Many elderly green card holders prefer to spend winters in India, but under the Trump administration's new push for stricter immigration controls, this routine travel is now being viewed as a potential sign of abandoning residency. Those who resist signing the form have been threatened with detention and removal. The Trump administration's policies have always been focused on America First immigration measures. In his previous term, Trump introduced stricter green card requirements, expanded the definition of public charge to make it harder for immigrants to qualify, and gave border officials more power to enforce removals. Now, his administration is taking it a step further. The message is clear: having a green card doesn't guarantee security. According to Vice President J.D. Vance, green card holders do not have an indefinite right to stay in the US. This means that even those who have lived in the US legally for years could find themselves at risk of deportation. While every green card holder is technically at risk, certain groups are more vulnerable than others. Frequent travelers, those who spend extended time outside the US, especially more than 6 months at a time, may face questioning. Individuals with criminal records. Under US immigration law, green card holders convicted of certain crimes, such as drug offenses, fraud, or domestic violence, can have their status revoked. People flagged for national security reasons. The US has broad powers to remove green card holders if they are suspected of engaging in or being linked to terrorist activities. Those accused of immigration fraud, any misrepresentation in obtaining a green card, or violations of visa terms can result in immediate revocation. Indians are the second largest group of green card holders in the US, with over 1 million people still waiting for their permanent residency approvals. The increased scrutiny means that many Indians, whether they are current green card holders or applicants, now fear their status could be in jeopardy. The anxiety is evident on social media, with users highlighting how easily green cards can be revoked. Some have compared the situation to India's revocation of OCI cards for individuals linked to extremist activities abroad. Others are emphasizing that a green card is not equivalent to citizenship and can be revoked at any time. For years, a US green card was considered a near guarantee of permanent residency and stability. But this latest wave of scrutiny is proving that's no longer the case. With increased detentions, forced green card surrenders, and stricter policies under the Trump administration, lawful permanent residents are being treated with more suspicion than ever before. For Indian green card holders, the key takeaway is this: travel carefully, understand your rights, and be prepared for unexpected scrutiny at US airports. The future of immigration policies remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: holding a green card is no longer a guarantee of security in America.